Hello everybody, welcome to our market report. Today we're Tuesday, December 20. So today the name of the chronicle is the upward movement in home builders on the publication of strong real estate indicators indicating that the U.S. Real estate not is getting back, but the number of permits is going up. So there has been a wave of optimism in the market. So we want to make a chronicle on that. First chronicle we made on home builders was on October 18, and on October 18, as you can see, the DG US home construction, Dow Jones US home construction was on the rise on October 18, and again the US home construction is on the rise. The ETF of home builders is also on the rise on October 18. It was also, and today again is on the rise. So this is a resistance. So this is the top that the ETF ever reached. So today the ETF is going up again. So are there some breakouts today on the home builders? Yes, there are tons of them. You have Meritage Home, which actually is on the rise. So the stock was put on our breakout on October 18. As you can see here, the stock did a pretty nice performance. It kept its upward trend, and today again the stock is in a breakout because it reverted its resistance over here, as you can see, and you have all the resistance of the month of June. So you still have a lot of gain potential before it reaches your resistance of the month of June, which is at about 23.78, so about $1 that you can make on that stock. You have Beazer Homes, which is actually on the rise also. Why Beazer Homes? Yes, we like Beazer Homes. It's performing pretty well, but in terms of gain potential for Beazer Homes, actually the stock is trading at 242. So this is an upward corridor, as you can see here, and this price, the upward corridor, it will reach it at about $3. So from 242 to about $3, it's about what, 15%. But the loss potential, if ever the stock goes from 242 and break that support, because when a stock breaks the support, that's when you need to go. So at about $2. So from 242 to $2, it's about 20%. So you have a 20% loss potential and only a 15% gain potential. The stock is already taking 15% right now at the moment. So we think really it's kind of too risky to be able to just buy it. If ever you like to buy it, well, then go on gradually on that stock for Beazer Homes USA. We have Ryland Group, which is actually on the rise. The stock performed pretty well for Ryland. It was in a breakout here on October 18, and again is in a breakout. And you have all this gain potential for Ryland at about this resistance of the month of May and June. I just want to bring to your attention, Beazer Homes, also that those of you who couldn't get in here on Beazer Homes on October 18, remember the stochastics of 933? Well, if you couldn't get in here, well, then the ideal time to be able to buy it back was when the situation here was oversold and getting over the overbought situation. Because when the situation is oversold, that's usually when there has been too much sellers on that stock, and when you see that the yellow line and the red line are all going up, that shows you that investors are starting to see the stock as a bargain, and they're flowing a lot of money into that stock, and that's why you see a momentum on that stock. So here was a good moment also to buy it for Beazer Homes, if ever you are not able to get in on October 18. But if you didn't get in here when the situation was oversold, well, then you have also this opportunity here for Beazer Homes. But as I've been telling you, in terms of the return risk decision that you have to make, the loss potential is much more greater, about 20% that we could go lower compared to a 15% gain potential, and the stock is already taking 15%. So it's kind of too risky for Beazer Homes. Ryland, you have better prospects with Ryland because the stock is on the rise, and you have all this gain potential at this resistance here at about 1784. So you still have some room to go for Ryland before it reached that resistance at 1784. Pulte Group also is on the rise. The stock is on a breakout. You have also all this resistance here, and DR Horton is actually on the rise. But what we like about DR Horton is not only that the stock is keeping its upward trend after we put it on October 18, also it is in a breakout today, but on this breakout the stock broke through this important resistance that began at the month of May and April. So that is a clear signal that there's a wave of buyers into that stock and there's a momentum into that stock. So that's why this stock, technically speaking, is a go for a buy for DR Horton. Old 99 Enterprises so far is testing its resistance, so no really clear movement there. And KB Homes is just going up slightly. And don't forget that tomorrow they're publishing their earnings, so KB Homes worth to follow. And Standard Pacific actually is on the rise, but really slight rise for Standard Pacific after being put here and a breakout on October 18. The stock performed well, but ever since the stock just stayed flat here, so we still have to wait for our next movement here on Standard Pacific. So that's it, folks. Don't forget to always follow us on facebook.com/decisionplus, and see you for another market report. And for all the team, we wish you a happy holidays.